I'm Sarina Angell, and I recently graduated from the Maryland Institute College of Art in Baltimore. After that, I worked in aerospace for a few months, making multi-layer insulation blankets for spacecraft, and then I came here to the core program. I started coming here when I was 10 or 11 with my mom to volunteer for the Annual Benefit Auction, where I would get to see art sell and artists interact, and it was really inspiring and probably sort of led me to pursue art and to go to art school. Making to me is a way to share my perspective on the world, and I think the more I make and the better I make, the more accurately I'm able to do that. So I've been working on these little walnut meditations where I am creating sort of microcosms in each little nut and trying to do something different in each one. I'm also working on a hat that has a dovetail flag as the brim. It'll look like it's sort of flying in the wind. I've been really into hats recently because they have the ability to instantly transform people into characters, and I think that if you're gonna wear a flag, it should be on your head. Being at Penland is a little weird right now because we've been kind of alone here, but I get to be with 8 fantastic artists from all over, and we're learning from each other and sharing our knowledge and our backgrounds, and I also get to be in this really beautiful place and have so much space to think and to create.